Hello, I am Dr. Rahul Chirag, MD General Medicine, practicing at Medix Healthcare, Nanakramguda, Gachibowli. Today, I will be speaking briefly about dengue fever. Dengue fever is caused by dengue virus, which is spread by Aedes aegypti mosquito bite. The symptoms usually start 3 to 7 days after the mosquito bite from the initial day. The common symptoms of dengue fever are fever, persistent headache, eyes pain when you move your eyeballs, persistent nausea sensation, vomitings, body pains, rashes all over the body. Symptoms of dengue fever are persistent fever, which might range between 102 to 104 degrees, and headache, retroorbital pain, which is the pain behind eyeballs when you move your eyeballs. Persistent nausea, vomitings, rashes all over the body, and sometimes giddiness. If you have any of the above symptoms persisting for 2 or more than 2 days, it's better to see a nearest physician to evaluate further. The investigations for dengue fever are to do a blood test after 2 days of the symptom, the dengue NS1 antigen by ELISA method, which the antigen is produced by the virus particle. Then coming to the other modes of diagnosis are PCR, dengue PCR. Treatment for dengue fever is hydration, taking paracetamol every 6th hourly, and avoiding NSAIDs like ibuprofen and aspirin, which can cause dengue hemorrhagic fever. The criteria for hospitalization in dengue fever is when you see your platelets going less than 50,000 on sequential testing of the complete blood picture, or when there is any bleeding manifestations like dark colored stools or bleeding from the gums. It is the time that you should be hospitalized for platelets transfusion. Coming to the prevention, it's always better said prevention is better than cure. So you have to prevent mosquito bites by using a mosquito repellents or mosquito nets, which is the first mode of prevention. You can cover the younger kids with complete clothing to avoid the mosquito bites.